Lexus IS 2016. So you're gonna open this door, take that Phillips number 2 out, and I like to close the door, get your flat panel tool, and you're just going to disengage this bottom clip. So there's 1, 2, 3, I think there's 4. Slide this over. There you go. Slide this over. Here. Better angle. Get in there, baby. Believe there's one more at the end. Yep, there's 4. This one's a little bit tricky, but we'll get it. There we go. I think because it was closed. There. Open this up. Put this in a safe spot right there. Ready for bottom loading. I'm going to do the same thing to this back one.